How are we doing, everyone? We're back with another Go Mining video, and this one is going to be opening my GoMining GoBox, my platinum level one, as you can see here. And I only have 7 days to open it, so I guess from the time that you get your box, you only have 1 week to actually open it, or it expires or something like that. I don't like that. That seems kind of unfair, especially if you don't notice it and then it just expires and you could have gotten something amazing. But before I open it, I'm just going to look at the tasks, because these are the tasks that you need to complete in order to receive a GoBox for this specific one, the platinum one. I have completed reach platinum level 1 VIP status, and that gets you 1 GoBox. If you get to platinum level 2 VIP status, you get 2 GoBoxes. Platinum level 3 VIP, you get 3 GoBoxes. And then the other way to win a GoBox is in the raffle. You got to take part in the raffle, and to do that, you simply kind of just gotta purchase upgrades. I think it's like $25 minimum that if you do an upgrade, you get entered into the raffle, and I believe they're weekly raffles, and you could win a GoBox absolutely for free. And the best part is what's inside the GoBox, or what's inside this GoBox specifically, the possible prizes. What I'm hoping for is the 25,000 GMT or the 10,000 GMT, because if we get the 25,000 GMT, I'm literally just going to double down and go from 500 terahash to 1,000 terahash, because it's only 21,000 some odd change in GMT to get 500 terahash. I would immediately just double down 100%. If we get 10,000 GMT, you already know we're just instantly going to add 250 terahash, because it's doubling down. It's free money. That is free money. It would be lovely to get an access key. I wouldn't mind getting, you know, one of the Go miners, the avatars, or 5,000 GMT, 64 terahash miner, 500 GMT, 250 GMT, 32 terahash miner, 60 days on the bonus miner, a 16 terahash miner, 200 GMT, an 8 terahash miner, a 10% off power upgrade coupon, 30 days on the bonus miner, 100 GMT, 25 days on the bonus miner, a 7% discount on a power upgrade, 20 days on the bonus miner, and last but not least, a 5% discount on power upgrades. We're most likely going to get this, unfortunately, or even... Probably doesn't sound good to say because it's free, but like even something as worse as this. But we're praying to Jesus that we're going to get the 25,000 GMT or the 10,000 GMT. Are we ready, boys? Are we ready for this? Because I'm ready. Let's do this. Open the GoBox. Fingers crossed. I'll take that. I will take that. 25 days on the bonus miner. That's an extra 16 terahash for 25 days. That sounds pretty damn good to me. That sounds pretty damn good to me. Why does it say 0 days? What is this? What is this buffoonery? There we go. There we go. I just had to, you know, refresh it. Look at that. Let's just see how much approximately this bonus miner is going to get me. So if we do a... No. We got to go down to custom. Come down to 16. We're going to go to daily. Click Bitcoin. And then currently. And then daily payout of 23 cents approximately. That's going to be times 25. $5.75. That's still not bad. It's not a lot, but hey, it's an honest day's work. It's an honest day's work. Just means now I know what's going to happen when I do get to 1,000 terahash, and then I get 2 more of those. What are they called? GoBoxes. Because look, platinum level 2, 1,000 terahash, and at 1,000 we get a 2.4% discount, so another 0.3%, and we get 2 platinum boxes. 2 platinum boxes. Oh wait, look at this now. Look, they offer me VIP support and special offers. Oh, it's good to be special. It's good to be special. Sometimes it's good to be special needs, you know. And then eventually we're going to get up to 2,500 and then 5,000. We're making this journey. We've been mining for less than 2 years, just under 2 years. We started with 16 terahash. And you know what we're sitting at now? Sitting at 516 terahash. That extra 16, yes, is from the bonus miner, but hey, we have it for 25 days. It's basically a whole month. Oh, I just realized it's at 20 watts of terahash, not 15 watts of terahash, because I saw that. I was like, what? Oh, well, it is what it is. If you guys have yet to start mining, I would start now. Obviously, do your own research. You can use my link down in the description below. You'll earn an extra 5% terahash on your first miner purchase, and they're still currently having the discount. Now they're having 8% off their, $25 deal, 12% off their $100 deal, 13% off their $250 deal, and 14% off their $500 deal. I am not sure if these deals continue down on, depending if you want to spend like $2,000, $3,000. I'm not sure if it maxes out at 14% or if it keeps going. I don't think it keeps going. It probably maxes out at 14 here and then probably goes back to 10% or something like that, because I know that if you are currently mining and you want to upgrade your miner, all the discounts are 10%, which is why I took advantage of that now, because that cost me 4,800 USD, but I saved 480 USD dollars because the 10% off. I believe. I'm pretty sure, as far as I know. So yeah, we'll see you guys soon. Remember, do your own research, and if you can, invest your money wisely, because guess what? I'm going to be making, probably $7 or $8 a day now, doing absolutely nothing. It's lovely. It's beautiful. We'll see you guys soon. Have a good one. Bye bye.
I'ma kill him with success. Watch this. Could've bought a vest, could've hit him with the tech, but instead, man, I'ma kill him with finesse.